people, wagwan, Ghana, bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up, always. You know how it goes. My name is Kevoy, and we are here with MX Breaks Lifestyle and Entertainment. Guys, it's Wednesday. It's Wednesday. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. It's a nice day to go out and achieve everything that you can achieve. If you don't feel like achieving, you can stay home and rest. But remember, you won't achieve anything by doing that. Zin, today we are back and we have an exclusive day today. We got a special surprise for you guys. But first, you know, we have to jump into our stories. Now, Twitter celeb Kali J had his Twitter account suspended for popularizing the popular hashtag fix the country. The known Ghanaian Twitter influencer is identified as having or created or popularized the fix the country trend that has been running wild on social media. It has garnered so much attention that politicians have felt the need to respond, and Twitter felt the need to tame Kali J. His account was briefly suspended for a few hours, but was later restored. Right after he posted a picture of himself with the caption, "Never back down." Hey, I like this guy. He has a good fire inside him. Now, Bridget Otu also commented, hinting that it didn't take long for his account to be restored. It seems freedom of speech is a tricky concept, don't you think? Because, I mean, if they have freedom of speech, then, I mean, I don't understand why it is that Twitter is suspending their account, government is running in and saying, hey, wait a minute, what are you doing? And if the government is attacking them, then maybe something he's saying is true. Who knows? Who knows? Now, Naomi Campbell has just announced the arrival of her first child. In a beautiful post on social media, the model shared a picture of her hand and baby feet with a caption sharing her joy. Fans and celebrities flooded her page with congratulatory messages. Hey, the 50-year-old seems very, very happy with her baby. And you don't know, Naomi Campbell, you know, we claim Naomi Campbell. Jamaicans claim Naomi Campbell as Jamaican, as our own. She was born in the UK, but you don't know, we claim her as our own and thing. So, big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. So now I promised you guys something. Let me see. All right. Now I promised you guys something very special. It is Africa Month. And right here on MX24, we are joining Apple Music in their Umoja campaign. It's a campaign centered around a message of unity and togetherness. Not only that, but a method of shining light on the new generation of African artists who are changing the narrative. We are going to every corner of the continent, and today we're starting in the east with a star from Tanzania, and her name is Zuchu, and we have her video here before. Visiting Tanzania. I feel like I should visit Tanzania, eh? MX Breaks, just send me. MX24, you don't know how the thing goes. Just buy my plane ticket and send me to Tanzania. But guys, you see, the thing is, it's unfortunate that we cannot get the connection to Zuchu. I don't know what's happening in Tanzania, and I don't know what's happening why, you know, we can't establish a connection with her, and we're trying our best. But, guys, we'll definitely have her for you on the show another time, but not today, guys. I do sincerely apologize. But look out for Zuchu. Zuchu has been one of the biggest. She's one of the biggest artists in Tanzania, and she has been making waves through Africa. She's one of the only artists in Tanzania that has made it to the Apple campaign. And I hear that we have the connection, so Zuchu is here. Zuchu is here. Hey, hey, Zuchu is here. Hey, 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 Zuchu! Zuchu Agwan!
Yeah. I'm good, my brother. But it's Zuchu though.
Huh?
It's Zuchu.
It suits me. Zuchu. Zuchu.
Yes.
Zuchu. My apologies. Zuchu, how are you?
I'm fine. I'm great.
Yeah, man. Everything look nice over there. You look nice in this wonderful place in Tanzania. How's Tanzania going?
Right now, it's very hot out here, but we are okay. Corona is going away.
Oh,
we
yes.
are a little bit. We can do our concerts and everything. We're just taking the safety measures. So we're good. We're in a better place.
That's beautiful. Zuchu, before we start, I want you to say something to the Ghanaian people. Say, hey, Ghana, wagwan. Anything. Just say something to the Ghanaian people. Introduce yourself to them.
Hey guys, very beautiful that today for the first time I get to speak directly to you. My name is Zuchu, an artist from WCB Wasafi Label, Tanzania, representing the East. And I'm here with you guys, so bring in the questions and give me some love. Show me.
Yeah, man. Zuchu. First things first, you've been in the music industry for years and years. I mean, your mom is also a musician, right? Correct. What is your earliest memory of, a musical experience?
I've had a lot of musical experiences because growing up with a mother who is a celebrity at home, we are like involved in a lot of music activities. I've seen her
growing up in a celebrity home like this.
At school, it was a little bit hectic because people judge you every day, but you also get treatments, and people love you for no reason. Hey, we take the positives one, but also it can be really tough on a child. Growing up, getting judged, your mother is being talked about, this and that, and as a child, you really do not understand all of that. But hey, we grew and
you're here.
Wrote the book me, and we're here now.
Yeah, I love that. So what's the music industry like in Tanzania? Is it do you get a lot of support from government, from people, from everywhere?
A lot. I would say my numbers are growing rapidly. I did not expect this. For less than a year for me to be among the leading artists in Tanzania, that is something for me. The things that happen right now, I expected them to happen after at least 2-3 years. But in less than a year, I already have the most I'm the most subscribed female artist in Tanzania, in the East, of course, not only Tanzania, but I'm the first female artist with a lot of numbers of subscription. And in Africa in general, I hold like maybe a second to a third position. I don't recall, but I'm in a better place because a lot of support is being shown to my side. The fans are amazing. The East African amazing. I'm gaining a lot each and every day. My latest debut song Sukari did amazing in East Africa, maybe outside there,
All right, you're currently among the artists on Apple Umoja campaign for Africa Month in May, Zane, and you are the only Tanzanian artist. How does that feel?
It feels good. I'll be speaking for a lot of people. Most of the times the East gets overshadowed by other genres of music. Now we've only had Diamond Platnumz and other few artists to go represent us in such things. For me, a new artist to be the only Tanzanian artist representing on MTV Africa Day concert, it shows that the medias that notice us, they give us respect. They see us and they are allowing us to show our creativity part and share it amongst the majority of the other Africans. So it really created a space in my heart, and I'm really glad that I got a chance. And shout out to MTV for giving me this opportunity. I do not take it for granted, and I'm representing the East. I am saying this to my sisters and brothers that I will represent well, and I will never let nobody in my country down in things like this, So yeah.
That's wonderful. Well, you also got 100,000 subscribers in 1 week, and you received that award from YouTube. I mean, what was going through your mind when you saw all of that notification of subscribers popping up?
To be honest with you, at the time I didn't believe it. I was like, how is this possible to get a silver plaque in less than 10 days after I was officially released? And I was like, okay, God must love me. But also, the label did an amazing job releasing me, but also an exclusive. I got a gold plaque for the million subscribers
Hey.
within 7 months. So now I also have a gold. Yeah, so that
Hey.
is, you know,
Ja,
that is
ja.
good.
Yeah, it's wonderful. It's wonderful. Who do you like in Africa? Like, whose music do you listen to?
I listen to Omalay, I listen to Thames, Wizkid, my boss Diamond Platinum, his music, I love it. I love Bosso. I know Rayvani, you guys love Rayvani. I listen to Rayvani a lot. Actually, I have a song with Rayvani. And I listen to what should we call?
Hip life, high life, for
I
that.
love the old music, some music from the past, the Kilimanjaro Band. I listen to Fela Kuti. I listen to Yemi, Tiwa. Oh my God, my list goes on and on and on. But also from South Africa, I feel like um, I really enjoy Castanova music. And from Nigeria, also Barna Boy. I really enjoy Davido's music.
Yeah, man. This is
And Rema also is my
Rema.
favorite.
Rema. All right. All right, let me ask you, what is the role of Africa? Huh?
Now, my dance for you. My
Hey, baby, hey. Every time I think of you, hey, that's Jackie. That's Jackie. Hey, that's a lovely song. I love that song. What's the role of artists what's the role of artists and music in fostering unity amongst Africans?
we try. I mean, if you recall, we've had a situation with the what happened in Nigeria with the End SARS campaign. I think we did a lot better as a whole, the artists came together and stood together to ban the campaign, and that should tell you a lot of what we try to do and help our Africa to come together and be. Sorry, somebody just appeared. For it to be a peaceful place. Through music, we join our fans, but we are also joining other people. We prosper peace and unity. So in campaigns like and SARS or maybe what happened to South Africa, we as artists put our influence and we try to to what do you say? We try to announce and prosper and encourage peace amongst us. So we, as artists, I feel like we play a huge part in just uniting and maintaining the peace and uniting the whole African continent together. You know, so we are trying. We are
All
in
right.
a good, better.
I want you to mention 3 names from Tanzania that you think should be added to the Apple Umoja campaign. Quickly, 3 names, just 3 names. You don't have to give me explanation.
Not next. Okay, I'll say Rayvani. Number 1, and from the females, I would say Nandi. She absolutely deserves it. And I would say Diamond Platinums, yo, they're good.
Hey.
But also, yeah, Diamond Platinum.
All right, give Ghana a freestyle because this is the last one. Give Ghana a freestyle. Quick. Before we go.
But talk about.
Hey.
Okay, wait, let me put something together.
I'm ready.
Would you prefer in English or in my native language?
Either one works. But we won't understand the native language.
The native language, you guys don't understand Swahili, but you guys know Nakupenda, right?
Akupenga. You see, I'm Jamaican, you know? So, you know, I don't understand the local languages. You understand?
Okay. Okay, let me put something together for you as a first. Sorry, somebody's hearing. Okay.
Ready. Go, go, go.
So I have this special, something that I really created last night.
Yes,
and
ready.
And it's called mpenzi. Mpenzi in Swahili is Swahili of my love.
So this is exclusive.
Yeah.
All right.
So wait 1 minute. Somebody's calling me. I'm trying to cut. Something's calling. I'm sorry. I'm trying to cut him off.
Hey, listen. Just say it to Ghanaians. Just tell Ghanaians what you want to say.
Wait.
And then we call
Wait.
All right. Waiting.
Somebody's calling. Let me.
Can you imagine?
Okay, we are good now. Can you hear me?
Ready? Let's do it.
It's your smile for me when you wake up in the morning. Mpenzi wangu. You remember mpenzi?
Yes.
Nacheka mwenzio. You give me falling. Mpenzi wangu. Na kwenye giza totoro. Weno mwangaza wangu. Mshumaa wakupapasia. Ghana, you know, say I love you too much. Oh. My Ghanaian people, you know, say I need you too much. Oh. Hey, I love you. That's a little something.
When that song comes out, I'll say Kev got the exclusive. You understand? We got the exclusive
How do
here.
you say nakupenda in Ghana? How do you say I love you in Ghana?
Me do.
Me do. So
yeah.
You don't say me do too much. Oh. Say me do too much. Oh.
Voice, I love your voice, Zuchu. Hey, Zuchu, this is it. This is all. That's all for today. Thank you so much for coming on our show. We really enjoy your music. We really enjoy your presence. Yeah?
Thank you so much. And shout outs to all the beautiful, supportive Ghanaians, my Ghanaians family. I really love you. Please keep subscribing on my YouTube channel. I have a lot of work coming. So just support your girl. Happy African Day.
All right, thank you. Hey, we want to see the video before we leave. Mwah. You want to see the video before we leave. But guys, this is all for you. This is all we have for you today, but you don't know. We have all exclusive all month this month, so don't worry, guys. We have some more exclusive interviews for you. So guys, my name is Kev. This is MX Bricks Lifestyle and Entertainment. Little more, big up yourself.